We come up. You hold the thread with your left hand and wrap it around the needle. Let's make one wrap for the start. Then you come down, but not in the same hole, somewhere near. If you come down in the same hole as you come up, your knot will go down under the fabric. You pull the thread so it slides down to the fabric, and while holding this thread taut, you come down. That's it. You can make any amount of wraps. For example, let's make 3. The more wraps you make, the bigger the knot.